Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining coding and math, not by reading everything. Learn Python syntax and practice small programs because you'll write models. Grasp linear algebra and basic probability to understand model behavior. This reduces guesswork. Once done, set up a lightweight environment, Python, pip, Jupyter, and run a simple Sklern classification to confirm everything works. Make sure to use virtual environments to avoid conflicts, and time-box study sessions. Focused, consistent practice beats passive reading for you. Now move into hands-on development. Pick a tabular ML project and a compact deep learning task so you see different workflows. First, create a baseline model to set expectations, then iterate with feature engineering and model choice. That sequence reveals leverage points. Learn evaluation metrics that match your goal so you know what to optimize. Use Git and an experiment tracker to record changes and results. This habit makes debugging and reproducibility straightforward and speeds up learning by reflection. You finish by shipping and monitoring a minimal model so you understand the full lifecycle. Containerize with Docker and expose a test endpoint. This shows integration challenges. Once live, monitor latency, accuracy drift, and error rates and log inputs to catch surprises early. If things go wrong, reproduce the error locally, validate data schema and preprocessing, then decide to retrain with corrected data or roll back to a stable version. Keep small, automated tests to prevent regressions and accelerate fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.